Hello everyone, good day. For the benefit of those joining us in the group, I needed to do this video so that you all benefit from it. I drop a link on the group in the morning on how you can claim your Soulbound AutoDCA. So these guys already have an airdrop in their roadmap. So the criteria to qualify for the airdrop, I believe, is some of this interaction that we will be carrying out on the project, like just like this minting of this NFT that we are about to do now. It will not be the only, I don't think it will be the only interaction, so there will be more in the days to come, but as it is released out, I will try as much as possible to update the community about it. So for those joining us, you may be finding some of these taxes difficult to execute. That is the more reason I do these simple short tutorial videos to a kind of illustrate to us. What you see with your eyes is very powerful. I believe it's more powerful than what you read. If you see it practically done, you can, there are a kind of if not close to 100%, there are more chances for you to understand it when you watch it more than just reading it. So that is why there is a need for some of this video I do, and it costs me money anyway. So that notwithstanding, once you get the link to this this site, you will need a MetaMask and you will need a wallet funded just to pay for the transaction fee. The NFT is free of charge, you can mint it free of charge, but you just need to pay little to the blockchain. So it's on the zkSync era blockchain. And if you have, okay, this is my MetaMask, I'll open it for us to see here, and I have a little fund there to pay to cover for the transaction fee of this NFT I'm about to mint. So I have $11 worth of Ethereum here. So what I will do here now, if you have, this is the network, ensure that you are on the zkSync era, if not it will not work. I have several networks here, or you can still call it several blockchains, okay, projects. So whichever one is still correct, these are all the network here. So if you don't have this zkSync era mainnet network, I'll just show you how you can practically add the network to your MetaMask. So you go to a place called chainlist.org. Look at the link here to the website. So this chainlist.org, now you can easily add any network. So when you get there, you scroll down, you see the search button, so you can just paste your or tap your cursor there, then you type the name zkSync. Okay, before even typing it finish, you see that it has appeared on your screen here. So once you type zkSync era, the network will appear. So what you simply do is to add it, but mind you, you must connect your MetaMask to this Chainlist website. So once that is done, you click on the add to MetaMask. Once you click, I've already added it, and that is how you can do for each network. If you don't know how to get the PCR or the network setting yourself, Chainlist has made it very easy. You just, these are the settings, okay. If you don't want to use Chainlist, there's a way to get this setting, then you add it manually. But instead of adding it manually, which is very difficult to do and to get the right one, you can use chain list to do it, as I've done, as I'm showing us here in this video. So I'll click on approve. Once I click on approve, I've already added it, but I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. See, it's already there. Switch to error. I've already added it, and is there for me now. So once that is done, you can see other network. If you decide to add other network, it's still good. Let me just add this. I don't think I have that Polygon zkSync, right? So Polygon zkSync EVM, that's Polygon zkSync Ethereum virtual machine. So once I add it, it will automatically appear on my MetaMask. So opening my MetaMask here now, you get to see, okay, is added here. So but I'm not interacting with this Polygon zkSync virtual machine. So the network I'm interacting with, note that the zkSync has a testnet network, but we are not interacting with the testnet network because the NFT and the zkSync site will interact with is on the mainnet. So we'll use zkSync era mainnet. So click on it. Then after setting this on the mainnet, then you go to the website where you click, where you can be able to claim your Soulbound NFT. So as I earlier said, I have an airdrop installed for the community, and this airdrop will kind of give us some cash in our pocket. So just follow them on Twitter as well, and keep yourself updated on the happening on this AutoDCA. So first things first, we'll connect our wallet. I'm connecting to MetaMask. So we have started the process of getting to claim this NFT. So my wallet is already selected. Then I'll click on the next button, and okay, so as you can see, this is my wallet public key. So it's showing that my wallet is connected to this site. So after connecting my wallet, I'll go down. So these are the tags: mint a brand new AutoDCA NFT for free to celebrate zkSync era integration. So first things first, this is the tags. You follow them on Twitter. Then the second task, you like and retweet. Then you join their Telegram group. Then you mint the NFT. So let me just for the sake of let's say speed, I want to just select the Telegram group or channel I wish to use. Okay, so it's in the right channel. Then I'll go to the page back. So ensure you are on this social media platform that is required to perform these tasks. So the tax and the NFT claim is ending in 3 days, 19 hours, 44 minutes, 45 seconds. So let's start to claim. Let's start the task immediately. So I'm just going to click on the follow button to follow them on Twitter. So after that is done, I'll still go back to perform the second task. Our network is slow. Let's wait for it to load, then we'll proceed. So as you can see, I'm not following them yet. So what I will do, I'll follow them. Then for instant update, I'll turn on the notification so that I will get any free update from them. So they put out this announcement of their free mint NFT. Our platform is fully integrated with zkSync era. On this occasion, you can claim free NFT. So the earlier the better. They have already there are some information here that you can actually feed yourself with. So from the look of things, I believe that you can really if you are not even investing any money as in on the project, just do the free stuff now, so that you get benefit from the airdrop. So I'll follow them. You notice that once you perform any task, it's ticked marked, then it takes you to the next one. So I'm going to click on this like and retweet again. So basically this is how you perform some of these tasks. It's just following instruction. It's not difficult. If you follow the instructions, you get the work done immediately. And the earlier you get things like this, when they come out, I will advise, since you are not using any tangible money to do it, just rather the transaction fee to pay from the minting, which will be far below $1. So if things like this come up, do it fast and just go to the next things to do, and just be prompt in carrying out some of these things, even if they say it will expire in the next 10 days. The earlier you do it, the better. So we are supposed to like, this is the like button on Twitter. So I've clicked the like button, then I'm supposed to retweet, so I'll click the retweet. So it's just instruction. Computer is just all these tasks, which is also part of programming and the internet and anything computer. Is just follow the instruction, you get the result. So to join the Telegram group, I'll click on join. Then once I join the Telegram group, I think the next task should be open for me. So if you don't, it's just gradually. Immediately you perform the first task, the next one will open till you get to the minting and task or button. So I'll click on the join button. I've already joined. Is this a closed group? Let me see. No, it's not a closed group. You join this group. Sending message is not allowed in this group. I don't know why. Okay, let me do something here. So okay, chat will be suspended for the duration of the NFT mint to avoid spamming. So I think they put out this information that the chat will be suspended. So once the minting duration elapsed, they'll open the group, but for now the group is closed, and they have quite an encouraging number of followers. So I'm done with this task. I'm just to follow them on Twitter, on Telegram. So the next task, which is the minting task, is open for me now. I'll just click on it and it will send the transaction to my MetaMask wallet, where I will be asked to confirm and approve this transaction. So it will open automatically since your wallet is connected to this site. Okay, let's wait for it. So if you have watched my previous video, right, I made mention of, let's say, adjusting the transaction fee. So as you can see, this transaction fee is high, is quite higher than I can even imagine. So I'm going to change it. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust it. So once you notice that these buttons are not coming out, I usually use market, but it didn't display anything here. So what I will do, I'll edit this transaction fee. So editing it, maybe I will just change the figure here on the maximum base fee. So I can use a lower figure, or even I can use something more lower. Okay, so once I edit this now, I might even edit this one as well. That is the gas limit. I might just use a gas limit that is lower. So as you're adjusting it, be taking a look at the transaction fee as it is reducing bit by bit. So I'll just bring it to the dearest minimum so that I won't have to pay such an exorbitant fee for this. So let's try this now. Let me even put this one to 1. Okay, 1 will not be enough. Let me leave it at 2. So once it is done, I have to save. Click on this box to save this. Okay, so once the box is ticked, I think I have problem with the network. Okay, once the box is ticked, you can just save it. So it has reduced to $3, but this $3 is still much. Okay, so I want to reduce it again if I can. So let me work on the gas limit. So but at times reducing the transaction or the gas limit now, at times you may get a failed transaction. So it's reduced now, but if you get a failed transaction, we'll still readjust it and try again. So it's reduced now. Let's try. Click on it. Let's see if it will go successfully. So it came out failed. So I'm just going to try it again. Still adjust the transaction fee. So I'll click on the mint button. If it is not Ethereum, I don't think there is any need of even agreeing to pay such an exorbitant transaction fee. If it is Ethereum, it is understandable, but other network, it might just be an error. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce it again. Let me reduce the gas limit. Let me use 2. I think 2 will be okay. Let's see if 2 will go. 2 is $7. It's too high. I'll still reduce it. Okay, let's go from here. Let me use 1. Okay, $6 is still high. I need to edit it a little. Okay, can I do away with this 5? Let me just leave it at 1. Let's see if this will work. Okay, let's just use 4 and see. I think 4 should be able to go $4. But please, I'm doing it for the sake of this video. You can try lesser amounts, okay? I don't want to prolong this video trying over and over again. But if I'm not shooting a video, I'm telling you, I will kind of stay on this till I get the best and the cheapest price mint. I can be adjusting it, even I can stay on it for about 10 minutes, be adjusting it till I get it. I reduce it to the dearest minimum, okay? So let me say $1 is a fair price, but don't use a kind of, you mustn't spend this much for this NFT, okay, as transaction fee. You can adjust the gas limit until you get it at $1 or less than $1, okay? So I just let it go for $4 because of the time of the video. So this is how it has already been claimed successfully and is showing here already minted. So this NFT, I've minted it, and this is just the simple step you will use to mint yours as well. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, just ask. If you have any trouble a kind of carrying out some of these taxes, and you feel like you want to interact with me personally, my Twitter handle, my DM is open for everybody. Also, if you feel like joining our we started a new WhatsApp group of recent. If you feel like joining, I'll reveal your a kind of request, then if I feel it's safe, I can allow you to join the group, okay? So subsequently, we'll also open up a Telegram group where we can do a more detailed tutorials, both in writing and all of that. So I intend on teaching you guys on even how to run a node and proper trading, but the trading course will come later on. So I just want to start from the scratch with you people, where you can, I know the financial challenges in the economic hardship and all of that in most nations. So I wouldn't want to start with maybe taxes or quests, or even some interaction I will get you people into that will require money from you. So this is totally free, and the group is open for anyone that want to join. So stay safe, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.